Are you looking for the top 5 best fly fishing sling packs? When you search for the best fly fishing sling pack, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1. KastKing Blowback Fishing Sling Bag. Let's kick things off with the KastKing Blowback Fishing Sling Bag. At just $24.29, this bag caught my attention with its sleek, tactical design and water-resistant material. If you want a reliable, lightweight option for your fishing adventures, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters specifically for you. The KastKing Blowback features a versatile design made from tough 600D material, which means it's built to last against the elements. The tactical MOLLE system allows you to customize it with additional gear, perfect if you need that extra space. It also has an integrated gear storage setup with pockets for your fishing rod and tackle so you can keep your hands free while you're out on the water. With over 2,000 units sold in the last month, it's clearly a popular choice among anglers. Now, some people complained about the size being a bit small for their needs. Here's the thing though. If you're looking for a day pack rather than something for a weekend trip, this size is actually perfect and keeps you mobile. This is perfect for you if you enjoy spontaneous fishing trips and want a bag that won't weigh you down. Skip this one if you tend to bring a lot of gear and need something more spacious. For the price, it's a solid value. Product number 2. Piscifun Fishing Backpack. Next up is the Piscifun Fishing Backpack, coming in at an impressive $14.99. This bag caught my eye with its multiple compartments and lightweight design. If you want something versatile for short fishing trips, this one is definitely worth considering. What makes this one stand out is its capability to fit up to 3 tackle boxes, which is essential for organizing all your bait and tackle efficiently. The breathable back padding is another big plus, as it helps reduce pressure while carrying your gear. Plus, it's made from water-resistant 1000D nylon, so a little splash won't ruin your day. With over 700 sold recently, it's clear that this bag resonates well with anglers looking for convenience. However, some users mentioned that the zippers feel a bit cheap and may not handle heavy use. But here's my take. If you're not overloading the bag, it should hold up just fine for casual trips. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an economical option that still ticks all the right boxes for organization. Skip this one if you need something more robust for frequent use. For its price, it offers great bang for your buck. All right.
Product number 3. Arc Pro Fishing Sling Pack. Now, let's talk about the Arc Pro Fishing Sling Pack, priced at $44.99. This one really surprised me with its EVA hardshell workstation feature. If you want a bag that doubles as a mobile workbench, this is definitely worth a look. The standout feature here is that foldable workstation, which lets you change lures and rig lines right at chest level. This convenience means less hassle and more time fishing. The ergonomic strap and breathable back padding make it comfortable to wear all day, which is essential when you're out on the water for hours. Rated positively by over 600 buyers recently, it's gaining traction for good reason. Some users did find the price a bit high compared to simpler options, but honestly, if you value functionality and organization, this price is justified by what you get. This is perfect for you if you need a hands-on solution for your fishing setup. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight without extra features. It's a worthwhile investment for serious anglers. Now, if the price of the Arc Pro had you hesitating, the next option is all about safety. Product number 4. KastKing Blowback Tactical Backpack. Next on the list is another rendition of the KastKing Blowback Tactical Backpack, also at $24.29. This bag caught my eye again for its reliable build quality and water-resistant features. If you want something dependable for light fishing trips, this is worth considering. This pack features the same lightweight and durable material as its counterpart, with a customizable MOLLE system for extra gear. Its efficient tackle organization means you can easily store all your lures and tools without a mess. Plus, it's designed for comfort with potted shoulder straps, which is a big plus for long days on the water.
With over 400 sold recently, it's proving to be a popular choice among anglers. However, some users have pointed out that the straps could be a bit more potted. Here's the thing though, for light fishing outings, this shouldn't be a deal breaker, especially considering the price point. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly option that still offers good features. Skip this one if you need extra comfort for long hikes. It's great value for what you get. Alright, that was a solid budget-friendly choice. But the final product number 5, Cast King Blowback Fishing Sling Pack. Revisit. Lastly, we have the Cast King Blowback Fishing Sling Pack again, priced at $24.29. It's made a repeat appearance because it's consistently a favorite among anglers. If you want a reliable bag that fits all your fishing essentials without breaking the bank, this is a solid choice. It features the same tough 600D material and versatile design, making it ideal for anyone who wants to easily transport their fishing gear. The integrated gear storage and efficient tackle organization allow you to store everything you need for a day on the water. With over 2,000 units sold in just the last month, it's clearly a trusted option within the community. Some users have mentioned the size might be too compact for larger gear, but honestly, it's designed for casual fishing trips, which means it's just right for most anglers. This is perfect for you if you're a casual angler looking for an affordable and functional pack. Skip this one if you have a lot of gear that needs to be stored. For what you pay, it's a reliable choice. Now, as we wrap up, let's compare all 5. To wrap it all up, each of these sling packs has its own strengths. The Cast King Blowback offers great value and versatility, while the Piscifun is perfect for those looking for an economical option. The Arc Pro stands out with its innovative workstation, and the second Cast King provides a reliable choice for casual anglers. Finally, revisit the original Blowback if you want consistent quality without the hefty price tag. No matter your needs, there's a great option for you among these 5.